Restaurant owners tonight are calling the news a crushing blow.
So our Simon Shaquette set out to see what they will do now.
Many restaurants had hoped to welcome customers back for dine-in service in the next few days or a couple of weeks, but now we know that won't happen. Instead, the governor is saying it won't take place until after January 15th at the earliest. One restaurant owner telling us simply that could put some out of business.
Whether we like it or not, we're all in this together.
In her final press conference before the Christmas holiday, Governor Gretchen Whitmer announcing an update to COVID-19 restrictions that includes reopening movie theaters, bowling alleys, casinos, and in-person high school classes on January 4th.
We have to stick together. We have to do it for our frontline workers, for our small businesses, for our restaurants.
Businesses that can reopen still won't be allowed to serve concessions, a major source of revenue for them. As for restaurants, they'll be forced to continue refusing dine-in service, instead relying on carry-out business and in some cases outdoor seating.
When I heard the January 15, I had chills going through my body.
Dodge Park Coney Island owner Pashko Yukai says his customers in Sterling Heights are loyal, but restrictions on dine-in service are hurting him and others in the industry. He fears some others closing for good.
I just wish everybody luck, but it's not going to be easy. It's definitely not going to be easy.
Also, under the new orders, small outdoor gatherings are limited to 25 people, and bingo halls and arcades can reopen as well. The state says a declining number of cases is encouraging. In the meantime, Pashko tells us he doesn't believe the new orders are political. However, he's ready to reopen for full service as soon as it's safe. Pashko says he's hopeful that ban on dine-in service could be lifted sooner than January 15th. Still, if those COVID numbers continue to decline, we put all the details of the governor's press conference on our website, WXYZ.com. Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News.
All right, Simon, thank you.